Okay, with React up and running in our browser, we're going to clean up some of the files that React created for us. So, probably haven't looked at this yet, but React actually created a folder full of node modules, some files in the public folder, as well as in the source directory. We've got a lot of other stuff going on as well. So I'm just going to run through and start deleting things, and I'm going to start at the top level. That is the responsive grid examples folder. We do not need the README. This is what is going to show up in GitHub when you publish this. We also don't need the yarn lock. We are using npm, which is going to leverage our package.json file. Let's then hop into the source folder. We are going to delete the CSS, the app test script, index.css, the logo, web vitals, and setup test. Let's move those to the trash. Then in the public folder, we are going to delete the favicon. We're going to delete this logo, and the manifest, as well as robot.txt. We don't have anything else to delete, but we do need to modify some of the code. So we need to go in here. We can get rid of the icon, keeping the char set there is fine. Description is not necessary. We can delete all of this. We can call this responsive KPI grid, whatever you want to call it. And the title and the body, we can get rid of. I haven't gotten rid of this in my code, so I'm going to keep it here. That is that. Command S to save. Then we'll go into app.js. We are going to remove both of our endpoint statements. We need the app. We don't need the header, the image, the p tag, the anchor tag, really any of that. All we need is a div with a class name of app and save. Index.js. We really don't need these, but it looks like it included React and React DOM, so we'll keep it. We're going to import app. We do not need the web vitals. We remove that. And we can remove this as well. Save. And it's compiling. Let's go look at our browser, refresh, and open up the console. We have no errors. So we are good to go with this clean boilerplate code.